Hello everyone! Welcome to Easy Tech Steps, your go-to channel for simple and easy-to-follow tech tips. Today, I'll guide you on how to set Google Chrome as your default browser on your computer. Let's get started. First, click on the Windows icon located on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Then, look for the Settings option. If you don't see it, you can type Settings into the search bar. When the Settings window opens, type Default App into the search box on the left to access the default app settings. Next, type Chrome into the second search box, then click on the Chrome result. Finally, click the Set Default button to make Google Chrome your computer's default browser. That's it. Open the Google Chrome browser. Click on the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of the browser. Navigate to the Settings menu. On the left side, you'll see an option called Default Browser. Click on it, and the default app settings screen will appear, just like in Method 1. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Easy Tech Steps, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more handy tech tips. See you in the next video. Goodbye.